Want to know how to add Trello in Teams? You would want to add Trello in Teams as this allows all your project management tasks and communication to be handled in one place, so teams can discuss, share files directly within the same platform. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add Trello in Teams. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Teams app in your screen. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here you can see various options. Tap on the Invite to the Teams option and a menu will appear. Likewise, tap on the Add to Existing card of Trello at the second. Furthermore, tap on the down arrow button under the board section. Now select the board. Again, tap on the down arrow button under the list section. Here, select the list. After selecting the board and the list, tap on the tick option at the top right corner of your screen. So this is how you can add Trello in Teams. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.